how to fix Cash App barcode not showing. So if you want to get your barcode, usually you have to click on this icon here in the top left, and then you choose my code, and this is going to make your Cash App barcode show up. But what if it doesn't? Then we can click on our profile icon here in the top right, and then we need to go into support, and we'll just search for barcode, and it's going to give us this article called QR scanner troubleshooting. Now, if we're experiencing any issues, here's what they suggest. Make sure both your mobile device and the app are up to date. So you just go to the App Store and make sure there is no update button. If there is, you will update the app. Then another thing we can try is turning off our mobile device off and then back on, and then force quitting the app on our device and then logging back in. If that doesn't work, if neither of those work, we can delete and reinstall the app and then log back into our Cash App account. And the very last thing that I can suggest doing if neither of those worked is directly contacting support here. So you just click on chat, you select not about a transaction, click on chat, and then here you explain that your QR code or barcode isn't working, and they can assist you with restating it and giving you a new one. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.